Thank you for your purchase of Funride Boost Swing Car, the tricycle that moves forward by turning the steering wheel left and right. Boost Swing Car comes with heavy-duty stand and beautiful bright colors. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver and 6-point wrench tool or hex key. First, insert the rear wheels into the car body and lock the wheel in place. Next, insert the provided 2 AA batteries on the back of the steering wheel to activate bright LED lights and lively music. Now, guide the steering wheel rod through the body and attach the front wheel by using provided bearing, nut and washer using the wrench tool or the hex key. Make sure the LED part of the steering wheel should face forward. And now, for the finishing touch, insert the backrest to the back end of the car body. The Boost Swing Car is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride or ride of happiness.